Hello, I'll be reviewing question number 9. To start off, we should remember that probabilities should have a sum of 1, and no probabilities can be greater than 1 or less than 0. For A, we have a probability of 0.2, 0.1, 1.5, and negative 1.8. Since 1.5 and negative 1.8 are greater than 1 or less than 0, the probability assignment is not possible. For B, we have probabilities of 0.2, 0.5, 0.2, and 0.5. This does not equal to a sum of 1. That's why the probability assignment is not possible. For C, we have 1, 0, 0, and 0. The sum of these probabilities is 1, so the probability assignment is possible. And also, none of these probabilities are greater than 1 or less than 0. For D, we have 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. The sum is 1, and none of these probabilities are greater than 1 or less than 0. For D, we have the probabilities of 0.7, 0.1, 0.1, and 0.1. Therefore, it's possible because the sum is 1, and no probabilities are greater than 1 or less than 0.